Please could you start by telling us what manufacturing is?
Manufacturing is a process, and basically every time a part is made, it has to be manufactured. So it goes from raw material to a finished product through manufacturing.
What does an average day look like for you, Lewis?
So I'll come in, turn the machine on, let the spindle spool up. Whilst that's happening, I might load another machine and then let that do its thing. Once I've got them all running, you just go in between each one of them and make sure that you debug your parts before sending them to production.
What do you love about your job?
The end product. The end product is one of the best things that comes out of this job, as well as programming and setting the machines, because there's a sense of achievement every time you get something right, and every time you see your part on a shelf or in a hospital somewhere.
That makes sense. You mentioned that you're on an apprenticeship. What is an apprenticeship and what is involved in it?
An apprenticeship is a practical based way of learning. So it's all practical based, and you do a mixture of going to college and working, or in some places you might do a year at college and then go to work after that and do that full time.
I'm with you. Where do you see yourself in the future then, following your apprenticeship?
Still at Brandon, and hopefully progressing in my career.
And if people are inspired by you to find out more about working at Brandon Medical, how can they find out more about that?
They can find out on our website or by contacting us directly. We do have apprenticeships running currently that we'd like people to take up, so feel free to contact us.
What makes you happy?
Well, again, the end product of what I make and what we do here, and also being rewarded for your work and good work ethic, such as last week I got an apprenticeship award through Leeds Manufacturing Festival, and that was Apprentice of the Year. I was very happy to receive that, and it makes me feel happy with how my employability skills are progressing.